Hello guys, welcome back to NFT Inspo. For today's video, we are going to show you how to connect Oceanpayment to Shopify. So if you're interested, let's start the tutorial. So the first thing you need to do here is you need to go to shopify.com, log in into your account, and from here on, what we need to do next is access our settings. Now at the bottom left of your screen, go ahead and click on settings. And from here, we need to go to payments. Now under payments, go ahead and scroll down a bit, look for additional payment methods, click on add a payment method. Now from here, go to the search by provider option here, and just type in the following, which is going to be Ocean. And from here, you should be able to see Oceanpayment. Let's go ahead and click on it. Now what we need to do next is we need to click on it again, and from here, go ahead and click on install at the top right of your screen. Now what we need to do is we need to confirm the installation, so let's go ahead and click on install. And once you've done that, it should actually start the installation. Now once actually installed, it should redirect you to another page, which in this case, what you need to do is you need to basically fill out some information. So that includes your terminal here, secure code, and from here on, you also have to click on save. In this case, what you need to do is you just need to provide all the necessary details here. So if you don't have an account, just click on sign up first, and from then on, you should be good. And that's about it. So hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to NFT Inspo. Thank you for watching.